God bless the street. God bless the street. Don't touch the street with your little tippy toe. Make real art. Don't exploit animals. You're supporting animal cruelty. Don't support animal cruelty. Don't support animal cruelty.
That's what happens when you support
cruelty. Don't support animal cruelty.
Your way to entertain yourself.
The pigeons get broken ankles too, bro. It's not just you.
Anybody help me with this? Don't support animal cruelty. Here come the barricades. Here come the barricades. Here they come. Don't support animal cruelty. Don't support animal cruelty. Don't support animal anymore.
No, I believe it is. I'm actually
You know, they live for their own purposes.
Be just drowning for your entertainment. Is that okay for you?